Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, June 16th. Today is going to be a very short day because my job believes in letting people out early on Friday. I get to leave early today from work, and then me and my mom are going to a step show put on by her job, by these like kids. It's gonna be cute. I'll probably record that. But more importantly, today is my best friend's, with an S, birthday. Happy birthday to my best friend of 17. Woo, girl, I'm making us older than what we are. My best friend since 2005, so that's 12 years. Happy birthday, Kenesha. And my best friend since 2010. You already know that she get on my nerves. Happy birthday, S.O.S. You guys are great. Hope you enjoy your day. This weekend it's all about you guys. I wouldn't be going anywhere if it wasn't for y'all.
We believe in equality and respect for everyone.
We believe that you don't need permission to be great.
I believe our team can make a difference by bringing everyone together.
Oh, yeah, this is better. So this little step show thing was cute. It was really nice. They're also talented. They're like talented little boys and girls. They have more talent than me. Now I'm going to drop my mom off to the event she has to do for her job, and then I'm off to the gym. So I'll see y'all in the gym. So I left the gym and I've made it to my car. I made it to the mall. So now I'm about to go see if I find something for this thing I'm going to next week. Cause I ain't got no outfit. I ain't got no outfit. I really don't have an outfit and I can't find my wallet. Alright, that's all I need. So they didn't have anything that I could have wore to my tie next week. It's hot as hell. Okay, so I'm lazy. I don't know if I want to go to Forever. I'm trying to figure out if I really want to because I'm back in the car and I kind of don't want to go because I'll have to find new parking. I think I'm just gonna go home and search through my stuff because honestly I don't got time to be spending money like at all.
I've been up in the block, that's right. Baby girl, she follows in the back of my mind. I'm hoping she swallows. I'm getting happy out me, then we got this dog. If she's still so low and it drop, it's gonna be a motherfucker. I got sleepless. Never feel like the insects. You are.
I'm only out because of her. Not be out my house right now if it wasn't because of her. I don't care. That's all you do. I don't care. Chat. Really? Yep. All I do is chat? Yep. All I do is chat. All right. This is not a Jamaican thing, okay? All I don't do is chat.
Nigerians are mad loud and Jamaicans are loud and they chat all day.
What? That's mad rude.
I like.
First of all, I don't chat that much. When do I ever go out my house?
How long is this video? 43 seconds.
When do I ever go out my house? Tell them. When do I ever go out my house? Never.
For Greek events.
What? Not even it.
Come to this fashion show. Fails to mention what kind of event it is. And they'll be like AKAs versus Sigmas. Like Poodles versus monkeys or whatever, and I just be mad confused.
I'm not even Greek half the year. I'm Greek 3 times a year. My Sigmaversary, when it's Founders Day, and a random ass event.
What, Punch Out?
Punch Out is the Greek event.
Catch me at Punch Out.
There's gonna be a Punch Out vlog. That's definitely
I'm not
there. Yes, you are. Because we're going to put that together.
I don't know
because bitch got 3 free tickets.
I
think I'm selling that shit.
What's up? I want to be like Nicole when I grow up. Her credit score is off the chart.
My credit score is dead as A1.
My twin brother
Be like her.
He was only getting 500. You dead came up.
Nigga, I have 7,000 on Discover.
I don't fuck with Discover. They give me 10 and I'm about to reach 10. So they need to relax.
Or
be like Nicole.
Don't be like me. Because I have 7,000. I'm sitting at 3 right now. So that's a problem. 3. Don't be like me. Not at all. Not at all.